How do you take the xylophone out, all this?
So we have a plastic ball and a wood ball, and we're testing out the tap and hammer, I guess toy is what it's called.
No, I think it was hammer and tap.
Hammer and tap toy, either way. Somebody wanted to know how the sound was. I'll try in my version of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Yay!
Something like that. So let's try with the wood ball. Try with the wood ball. Put the wood up there. Boom. That's plastic. Try with the wood one. Put that in here.
He likes the wood balls so much.
It's not very Montessori forcing him to do this, but we're trying to make a video. Trying to get that sound quality for you guys. Put it right there. Uh-oh.
That's a plastic ball. It doesn't really. The plastic ones don't really roll down. They're not heavy enough. But the wood ones go all the way down.
Look. I'm stealing this from him just to do it. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Hit it. Okay. No, we gotta make the sound. So, I don't know. It's a kid's toy, honestly. It's, you know, I wouldn't record this for my debut album or anything like that. So it's just a kid's toy.
But he really likes it. He plays with it all the time. And today actually was the day that he pulled the xylophone out and played specifically with the xylophone on his own. Usually he's just banging the ball through the
another
holes.
benefit is this toy right here. The balls for this toy work with this toy. So we have double the balls, triple the balls, all the balls. Anyways, that's our quick review of the hammer and tap and hammer toy. Thanks for watching. We're going to have a lot more toy reviews coming your way.